Hello my friends, I hope you are feeling great. Welcome to a new video. Sometimes a type of fungus can grow in our body, and this comes to appear mainly in the nails of the hands or feet, being more common its appearance in the toenails. This fungus grows at the exact point where the skin joins with the nails, and it can spread easily to other areas of the skin quickly, forming a yellow crust. This fungus can also cause a lot of pain due to the accumulation of bacteria. When the toenail is filled with bacteria, it usually tends to deform the nail, giving it a dark brown color and unusual thickness. This disease is medically known as onychomycosis, and to treat it, the ideal thing is to do it from the beginning. To do so, we can use some home remedies that can be very effective. In today's video, I am going to recommend you some of the best home remedies to get rid of fungus from toenails very quickly. Before continuing, please subscribe to this channel. Also make sure to press on the bell button, to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for your support. Keep watching the video. Orange oil and olive oil. Combine these two ingredients in equal parts, and with the help of a cotton, apply the mixture in the area you want to treat. Do it preferably after bathing. Use it in a daily basis to eliminate fungus from the toenails. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the greatest allies to eliminate the fungus from the toenails, thanks to its antibacterial properties. It is recommended to mix a bit of apple vinegar in a bucket with water, and immerse the feet in this mixture. It will give you a feeling of immediate relief, and you will eliminate the fungus in a short time. Peroxide. Wet a cotton ball in peroxide, and rub it carefully on the affected toenail. Do it constantly, to promote the elimination of the fungus. White vinegar. White vinegar is another of the home remedies to get rid of fungus from the toenails that are very commonly used. You just have to put your feet to soak for 15 minutes in a mixture of white vinegar with water. Repeat this treatment daily until the fungus are eliminated. Garlic oil. Garlic oil is a very good remedy because it contains antibiotic and antibacterial properties. For this remedy, you just have to rub with the help of a cotton, a little garlic oil on the area to be treated. Do it preferably 3 times a day daily until the fungus are eliminated. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is used to relax the feet and eliminate fungus. For this remedy, I recommend you mixing lavender oil with oregano oil in equal parts, and apply this mixture in the toenails 3 times a day, until the problem is eliminated. Lemon. The lemon is a fruit that contains excellent disinfectant properties. For the remedy, just squeeze a few drops of lemon juice on the toenails, let it act for about 5 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Repeat this remedy every day until the fungus are eliminated. I hope these tips will be very useful to improve your overall health. If you liked this video, please support our channel by giving us a thumbs up or share the video with someone you think it could be useful. If this is the first time you look at one of my videos, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, by pressing the red button you will find at the bottom that says subscribe. Also you have to press in the bell button next to it. Press it, and you will receive an email when we upload a new video. Thank you very much for your visit. See you in the next video.